Upbeat music plays. The camera pans over a thriving, lush jade plant garden. Host, smiling. Hey plant lovers, welcome back to the channel where we help you grow greener and healthier plants. Today, we're diving into how you can make your jade plants grow 3 times faster. If you love jade plants as much as I do, you'll want to stick around for these tips. Let's get started. Introduction. Host jade plants, also known as Crassula ovata, are popular for their beautiful fleshy leaves and resilience. But did you know that with the right care you can boost their growth significantly? Here are some tried and true methods to speed up your jade plant's growth. Section 1. Optimal light conditions. Host. First up, light. Jade plants thrive in bright indirect light. Make sure your plant gets at least 4 to 6 hours of sunlight each day. If you're growing your jade indoors, place it near a south-facing window where it can soak up the sun without getting scorched. Host. If natural light is limited, consider using grow lights. LED grow lights are a great option to provide the needed spectrum for photosynthesis, which boosts growth. Section 2. Proper watering techniques. Host. Next, let's talk about watering. Overwatering is one of the most common mistakes with jade plants. The key is to let the soil dry out completely between waterings. Stick your finger about an inch into the soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water. When you water, make sure to drench the soil thoroughly until water drains out of the bottom of the pot. Then, allow it to dry out again before the next watering. Now let's move on to soil and fertilization. Jade plants need well-draining soil to prevent root rot. A succulent or cactus mix works perfectly. You can also mix in some perlite or pumice to enhance drainage. Fertilizing your jade plant can significantly boost its growth. Use a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer diluted to half strength. Feed your plant once a month during the growing season, which is typically spring and summer. Pruning your jade plant can also encourage faster growth. Pruning not only helps shape the plant but also stimulates new growth. Use sharp, clean scissors or pruning shears to remove leggy or damaged branches. Focus on cutting just above a leaf node to encourage branching and a fuller appearance. Display related videos, subscription button, and social media links.